Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Audi A4 with a manual key. First, you'll need to find the hidden manual key inside your key fob. Once you have it, insert the physical key into the ignition slot, which is typically located on the right side of the steering column. Make sure the steering wheel is unlocked before proceeding to the next step. This initial step is crucial for a smooth and successful start. Now that the key is in, turn it clockwise to the first position, often labeled on. You should see various dashboard warning lights illuminate, indicating the car's systems are powering up. Before attempting to start the engine, it is essential to fully depress the clutch pedal with your left foot. This action disengages the transmission, allowing the engine to crank freely and safely. With the clutch fully depressed, turn the key further clockwise to the start position. This will engage the starter motor, and you'll hear the engine crank. As soon as the engine fires up and runs on its own, immediately release the key. It will spring back to the on position. Allow the engine to idle for a few moments to ensure stable operation. After the engine has successfully started, take a moment to perform some quick checks. First, confirm that all warning lights on the dashboard have extinguished, except for the handbrake if it's still engaged. Check your fuel level, engine temperature, and other essential gauges. Finally, adjust your mirrors and seat for optimal visibility and comfort before you begin your journey. You are now ready to drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.